One of the most effective ways to make money online in 2025 is making a newsletter. And for sure, one said there is money in the list because if you have a list of 500 or 1000 subscribers or more, here you guarantee have an income stream. So firstly, why people are joining the newsletters? First one, they would be covered by the latest news in a specific niche or specific field. Number two, they get regular, solid, top-notch and valuable tips and tricks. Number three, they get the most recent updates in a specific field or area. For example, you can create your newsletter about the best and the most recent AI tools and applications for the students or for parents and so on. Number five, get the most exclusive offers and deals. Number six is by following the public figure or the beloved celebrity and so on. So here, people are joining newsletter, and in this video I'm gonna show you where we can create our newsletter even if you don't have any prior experience, how you can make people join our newsletter like bro. There's many places where we can create your own newsletter from scratch. The king of this newsletter industry right now is beehive.com. It's one of the easiest one and the most popular platform where content creators making their newsletter to monetize and make money online. And here, if you have a look at the pricing plans here, you can actually create your own newsletter just completely for free, as you see, up to 2,500 subscribers, as you observe. And as for how you can monetize your newsletter, here you can find many possibilities in beehive.com. Like if you head over to your dashboard, you can go to this monetize option, and there you can find here different options. Either you can run some ads on your newsletter campaigns, get paid for that. Or you can select this one post. Here you can promote the other newsletter content creators to make money online. For example, you can actually post or promote other newsletter content creator regarding your niche and your topic just for $2 or $5 as you want. Or you can select this one, paid subscriptions. So many people are looking for and want to join your amazing newsletter just for a fee. It could be monthly, quarterly, and so on. And for sure, the basic idea here in newsletter campaigns, actually, you can promote your website, your affiliate products, digital downloads, and much more. So you can actually use beehive.com to create your newsletter completely for free. So the first one is beehive.com. In your opt-in form, it could be like this one, Raymond's newsletter. So any someone here, you can drop his email to join my newsletter. And the second website here where you can create your newsletter is kit.com. It's a head-to-head competitor to beehive.com to create your own mail list. And here you can get this pricing plan, awesome one, up to 10,000 subscribers in your free plan. So you can run paid newsletter. It's completely for free, unlike the Beehive one, tailored digital products, and much more. Or you can get help from LinkedIn bio builders, and I just like this one, peakins.com. Here you can find an amazing blog in your landing page that is to make your visitors sign up to your newsletter. Then you can build your campaigns from this option, email broadcasts. Here you can actually create your newsletter and send your emails, your top-notch tips and tricks regularly to your subscribers. Therefore, you can provide your offers, your products as you want. Next one, that's gumroad.com. For sure, we all know Gumroad, one of the best and the popular platforms where you can sell your digital products. And here as well, you can actually create your newsletter and send your emails for your subscribers or your buyers, in other words. So here you can create your email list from this option, and then you can send your campaigns regularly in your newsletter. In this one, post new updates, send email broadcasts, and much more. And for sure, the easiest way to get many people in your emailing list is you can provide a beautiful free or free download. It could be ebook, guide, checklist, and so on to make people join your newsletter or your emailing list. In Gumroad or Beacons.com and such these websites. Now we can move on how we can drive people to sign up to your newsletter, whether in Beehive, Beacons, Kit, and so on. The easiest way here, you can utilize the power of social media, like for TikTok, Instagram, and so on, or writing articles and attract readers. So for example, here you can head over to ChatGPT and answer this prompt like give me trending ideas to create short articles in a specific niche you are interested in. It could be self-improvement, parenting, education, and so on, to attract readers and grow my subscription list. And it gives you the best and the most trending short articles ideas in 2024, 2025, as for self-improvement, as you observe. Thus, you can for sure create your articles for all these topics. And not to mention that you've got to answer your newsletter link down below in every single article. So where we can publish these articles to get many readers in. There are two platforms I want you to focus on. That is the first one is medium.com, for sure the beloved website for readers and writers alike to write articles and get many subscribers to your newsletter, to get valuable tips and top-notch value in your newsletter. And the second platform is linkedin.com. Here you can make the best of this amazing platform to write articles or share posts regarding your specific niche and encourage people to join your newsletter. And then a good question comes up, how we can send our regular newsletter that contains top-notch and the most updated info. There are many ways you can get the latest information, news, and so on. For example, TikTok. Here for sure you can filter the most recent videos regarding your topic and your niche to get the most amazing topics. Or YouTube as well. You can filter to get the best and the most recent videos talking about different topics regarding your niche. Our Exitcom, formerly Twitter, you can get many of these topics regarding your topic. That way, you can get valuable insights and the most fresh topics that you can use in your newsletter campaigns. And inside your emails, you can actually encourage people to try different amazing websites as for affiliate marketing, to download most valuable checklist, templates, planners, ebooks, and so on inside your emails. And that way you can monetize your newsletter completely for free. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, you can leave us a comment section. See you in the next video.